Hello guys and welcome to Everything About Windows. One of my viewers asked me a question when he watched my build review to the Insider Build 17074, and his question was how I can change the actual Windows system language, the display language of Windows in the Insider Build 17074. So some settings are changed now in this build, and that looks kind of different in comparison to the actual Fall Creators update. But yeah, I want to show you how you can do it. You open the settings of Windows 10, and then you will head to the setting which is called Time and Language. You open it, and then on the left menu you have to go under Region and Language. Please open this one, and then you can choose the languages, and there it says Windows Display Language, and it says under this Windows features like settings and File Explorer will appear in this language. Then you can choose your language. So in my case I have two different languages there. So I have German and English. But if you want to add a new one, you have to go there to add a language, tap on it, and then you can also search for a language name. For example, French I can search for, or Français. And then you will see the different languages there. You tap on one, then you say next, and you can select what it should download. You can also directly set it as your Windows display language. You can also download optional languages features, for example the speech one and the handwriting one, and then you just tap on install. And in build 17074, what's also new is that it installs the language packs from the Windows or Microsoft Store. And yeah, then you will have to wait until it's downloaded. And when it's downloaded, you will see added here under Windows Display Language, the language you have downloaded, of course. Then you select it, and if you select one, it will say that the display language will be applied after next sign in. So you go into your start menu, you tap on your profile icon, and then basically you have to go to the sign out menu, sign out, sign in back, and then you will have your actual language applied in Windows 10. So I hope I could answer to give you or provide you feedback or a solution to this answer. Yeah, and I hope that I helped also other people which have searched for this option. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I see you on the next one. Bye.